Hi, AC. So we have already read our story, and we've talked about books a little bit, and we're talking now about sculpture. So sculptures you can view from more than one angle. You can view it from the top and the side and the bottom, whereas a drawing, you usually only view it from one side, okay? So what we are going to do is first collect some materials. So I went out with my daughter and we collected materials. We collected some acorns and some beads and some Cheerios and some buttons and some seeds. And I made sure we have 3 of those because we need the head, the abdomen, and the thorax for our bugs. They have 3 parts. So one of mine, I think I would like to make mine out of 3 buttons. And then I think the other one I'll probably make out of 3 acorns. Okay. Then I know I want to use those things. Then we went out and we found things for the antennas. So I found a paper clip and we unbent that. We found some pieces of leaf and we broke those off. We also found some pipe cleaners. I'm not sure if we're going to use those or not. Today it's kind of a pick your own adventure and be as creative as possible. So in some of the slides, I show you how you can make wings. You can use construction paper, you can use coffee filters, you can use plates, you can use cupcake cup containers, cupcake wrappers. And so I showed you how I chose to add color to this. I then cut my coffee filter in half to make my wings. You can make your wings however you want. I just bunched the middle right there, and I bunched the middle on my other side. And I held them together, and I opened up my clothespin, and I just pinched those pieces right there. So now I have wings, and you can spread them out a little bit. I like those wings. On this one, I think I'm going to have smaller wings. So I'm just using a piece of scrap paper bag. And I'm pinching the middle here. And I'm going to go ahead and pinch that middle. And I'm going to lay it flat. I can then take my scissors and trim off any extra that I have. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and trim off some of that. I might want to make them a little more similar in shape. So I can go ahead and curve that top edge. Curve that top edge. Keep curving it around. I like that shape. I think that's pretty great. It does not have to be perfect. I've just trimmed it off to the shape that I like. When you are done with that, then it's time to glue on your 3 body pieces. Having a hard time focusing. It's a little better. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of glue right onto my clothespin. I'm going to add on my head and my thorax and my abdomen right here. You can also add legs if you would like. I'm choosing not to add legs. Just to simplify it a little bit, I'm going to add on some more glue right up here. That is going to be for my antenna. Going to have to hold that on for at least a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if not longer. And let it hang out there. Make this one as well. You can cut out eyeballs. You can be creative with your eyes. I was thinking about adding beads for my eyes. Something like this. And then I have a little butterfly. See if I can get that a little bit closer. And I could do the same exact thing with this guy, except do it with my acorns. I could add in my head, my thorax, my abdomen, glue on those antenna right at the top. And then if I want to keep going and add on legs, I could.